figure out what I was going to say, what I was going to write. And I just decided to come up here and just speak from my heart and just tell you stories and just about the character of who and that was. First thing was time. He was an on-time person, so I know he's very impressed that we actually started on time because I was worried that we were going to be late, so I'm happy that we actually started on time. He was a very good person as we were talking about the shop. That shop cost me a lot of money. As I said earlier, all he did was give, no matter what or who. Anybody from Shiro Content can tell me that they could always go to me and say, it's about that here tomorrow, which you know you would probably get the money, but you would get. So it was always a good person. And something that I grew up with. And I remember shortly that my mom and dad would always say to me, you see, you can't give away your money. And I was like, what you want me to do? That's what you taught me to do. Always to give and to support and so it was a good thing. When it comes to respect, anybody who knows me, I'm very respectful and I give that up to my mom and dad. They always make sure I'm focused and on time, and it's something that even the same shop, no one could go in there and be bad. And no matter how old you were, you would say, listen, get out of the shop, stand outside, you have no respect to that over here. And that's how my dad was like. That's how I'm trying to grow my kids to respect and Thomas and place. And for me, hard work. Show my life I've worked hard and I've dedicated my life for sports and track and field to be the best that I possibly can. And that's one of my biggest lessons that I learned from my dad. To work hard, to be dedicated. I think that just only told me. I watched him work hard and provide for my family, and provide for us. And just, there's nights that I didn't even see my dad when he was working for the coffee industry. He would be up early and he would be late. And I knew and understand because my mom would ask us, my father is working hard to make sure you can get everything that you need. That's one thing else that you can get everything that you need and what you want. So that was always something that I always respect. And as a son, I grew up just loving him, and the tough times when I used to get in problems and the beatings and all and something, I'm very happy. I tell people all the while that I wouldn't change anything about my childhood because my parents did an excellent job raising me, and I'm really happy about that. My father was tough on me, always, but for me, I always know that he just wants the best and I want me to grow up and to be a good person, a good man, and to know how my kids are my own. I'm definitely going to try to live up to his character and live up to who he was and try to be the best that I possibly can be to my kids. Also, and at the end, I just want to say, I love my dad. He always supports me, and he's a very kind person. He's always willing to help and to be strong and just to be that shoulder to anybody can be on. And I just want to say to my mom, she's here right now, Mom. Just know that I'm here for you fully. I'm not your husband and your child. So just know the support is here. You're going to get tired of me now because I'm going to be a lot more in your life. But thanks everybody for the prayers and the love and the well wishes and everything. Happy to see a big turnout. Thanks to all the ministers for coming and supporting. I feel the love and I really appreciate it. And I just want to say thanks to our